All right, BCOT students, this is Mr.D week number 10 here at Cerritos College, fall 2022 term. And as you know, we are winding down quickly. We only have 5 more weeks of class, and then we will be finishing. And so just want to say, keep up the good work. A lot of you doing a great job, and I appreciate the effort that you're putting in. Hopefully you're reading all of my comments that I'm putting on your writing assignments, so that way you can make adjustments to yours. In fact, I apologize, but this last week I didn't grade your parking memos, but I did send you a sample of what I'm kind of looking for with that assignment, and giving you the opportunity for you to look at yours and see where yours is different than mine, and why I did the things I did. So I will be going through and grading those this week, as well as your blog and instant message and all that stuff that you did this week. And I'll get all that graded up probably Tuesday, by this week, Tuesday. And then, of course, you're working on week number 10. So that was week number 9. Let me go ahead and just share my screen here briefly with you. And I'm going to go ahead and enter into one of our classes here. And come down here. We are actually in module number 3. We just ended, so now we're in module number 4 for this week, but I'm going to select module 3 just to look back at what we worked on this week. So as you know, we did social media was kind of the focus of this week. So we did some email practices. Chapters 7 and 8 we're on some of that information with digital channels, writing for blogs, writing for social media, etc. And we had a writing assignment this week of formatting an email. That's what it was. So that you would download the email, and that you would either write on the margins, both left and right. What left side you're supposed to write, what are the different sections of an email? And then the right side, you're supposed to say why it's a good email versus the one that's a bad email, why it's a bad email based on all of those sections. And then, of course, you had your exam number 3, which was based off of the last couple of chapters 5 through 8. And that was all due on Sunday, yesterday. Now, today's Monday. Hopefully you're watching this on Monday. You have your check-in assignment. You're only doing one chapter this week, chapter 9. And I'm not sure what's chapter 9 about again. I should have probably looked at that before I started here. But chapter 9 is what you're going to be working on. And of course, there's going to be a quiz. You have the check-in assignment, which gives you 3 to 4 questions out of the chapter that you need to find and review. And then you have your quiz, and then you have your next writing assignment. So chapter 9 is on routine business messages. So things like emails, memos, messages that are just everyday things that you would send in the office. That's kind of what you're focused on this week, chapter 9. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to that section here and look at what you have. So this week you have your, again, check-in assignment, chapter 9. You have a video and PowerPoint if you want to review those to help you study. You have a quiz on chapter 9, and then you have your next writing assignment, which is to write a routine business email. So again, last week you learned how to format an email and what the different sections are, and now you're going to actually write an email on your writing assignment this week. So I will grade your formatting and email writing assignment, as well as your parking memo from the week before, all by this Tuesday. And then I will be able to grade your email next week once you turn it all in. So that's pretty much it for this week. That's a simple week, hopefully, and keep up the good work, as I mentioned, and we are getting near the end. We have week 11 on chapter 10. We have week 12 on chapter 11. We have week 13 on chapter 12, week 14 on chapter 13, and then the last week, there's no material. It's just your final. So, all right, everyone.